Hi friends, welcome to our guided reading lesson. Today we are going to read a book online from Reading A to Z called There Were Three. Now 3 is one of those number words we've worked with before, and the sight word for this week is there. As you can see in the word there, we have one of our other sight words called here, hiding in the word there. And they're kind of opposites, right? Here and there and everywhere. All right, let's go to the next page. There were 3. What do you think there's going to be 3 of? 3 elephants? No? Or 3 what? 3 pigs. Yep, good guess. All right. This book is kind of funny because it has pictures to help you read words like pigs and elephant. And there are a lot of sight words we have had before, like and the, and little, and 2 new ones that we haven't really worked with. This sight word is were, like there were is what we're going to read. And we do have one word here with that that Y at the end that sounds like an E. So when we get here, we're going to sound this out with an E sound. Let's start to read. Ready? There were how many? 3 pigs and an elephant. The little pigs were, and let's sound out this one, fun. So this says fun, and this is the E at the end, so funny. Funny. The little pigs were funny. Oh, I don't know if you could hear my little beep, but hopefully not. All right, so now we have 2, what do you think this is? Ducks. 2 ducks and this guy. Do you know what this big, oops, sorry, shh, girl, stop it. Shh, shh, shh. Nicholas, can you stop them, please? Sorry, guys. Ostrich is this really big bird. So there were 2 ducks and an ostrich. The little ducks were, do you remember this word with that E sound at the end? Funny. Let's read it one more time. There were 2 ducks and an ostrich. The little ducks were funny. Ooh, what's here now? These ones say, hoo, hoo. Owls. And what's this guy called? An eagle. So let's see, how many owls? 3. There's that word again. Ready? There were 3 owls and an eagle. The little owls were, do you remember? Funny. Good job. Ooh, look who's here now. This has, it's fish at the end here. Do you see F-I-S-H? It's fish. But what are they called? Starts with a G. Goldfish. Now the number changed. How many goldfish are here? 2. So we have the number word 2 here instead of 3. What do you think this guy's called? Yeah, you know it. Octopus. All right, let's read. Ready? There were 2 goldfish and an octopus. The little goldfish were what? Funny. Let's see who's next. Oh, we're back to this number word. What was this number word? 3. And who's here? 3 frogs and an iguana. Iguana. Let's read. Ready? There were 3 frogs and an iguana. The little frogs were what? Funny. Oh, we've changed our number again. How many monkeys? And here's that number word, 2. Now this is a different one. It's a really long one, but it has O-R. Do you remember Bossy R makes O say or? This is called an orangutan. It's a different kind of monkey or ape. All right, let's read. There were 2 monkeys and an orangutan. The little monkeys were funny. Oh, who's back? Oh, we're back to this number. We're back to 3. And now, do we know if this is a crocodile or an alligator? How do we know it's an alligator? Because it has "a" at the front. You're right. Crocodile would be cur, would be CR. All right, let's read. Ready? There were 3 turtles and an alligator. The little turtles were funny. Oh, we're back to this number again. How many? 2. Do you know what this guy is called? Look at his vowel at the front. His O says "ah." It's an act. And then bossy R at the end is making this ER say so it's actor. He's an otter. Let's read. There were 2 fish and an otter. The little fish were funny. Good job of reading. If you want to go back and put me on mute, you can start at the beginning and read it all by yourself. All right, friends, have a great day. Bye-bye.